Hello students, this is our fifth lecture of class 8 on matter. Today we are going to discuss change of state. Okay, now let us first know what is the basic definition of change of state. The process of change from one state to another state of matter either by absorbing heat or rejecting heat at a constant temperature is called change of state. Now there is a word at a fixed temperature or at a constant temperature. That is very important point. Okay, if you don't write this fixed temperature, your marks will be deducted because the temperature thing is very important. Okay, now let me discuss the processes one by one. Just by looking on this flow chart, we can discuss half of the topic in change of state. Okay, now the solid, when the solid is heated, it changes into liquid by absorbing the heat. So that process is called melting. When solids by absorbing heat converts into liquid at a fixed temperature, that process is called melting. Okay, now one example of melting is when we give heat to ice, it converts into water. And the opposite process, when at a constant temperature by rejecting heat, liquid converts into solid, that process is called freezing. And one example is when we take heat from water, it converts into ice. Now move to the next process. When by absorbing heat, liquid converts into gas at a fixed temperature, that process is called vaporization or boiling. Okay, now the opposite process, when gas converts into liquid by rejecting heat, that process is called condensation. Okay, give one example of condensation, when water vapor converts into water. And one example of vaporization, at 100 degrees centigrade, we know when liquid boils, it when water boils, it converts into water vapor. That is the example of vaporization. Okay, now move to the this process, when by taking or by taking heat or by absorbing heat, solids directly convert into gas. That process is called sublimation. Okay, obviously the example of sublimation is when camphor directly converts into gas from solid in a room temperature. That process is one example of sublimation. Now when gas directly converts into solid by rejecting heat, that process is called deposition. Okay, the one example of deposition is when carbon dioxide is cooled, it directly converts into solid carbon dioxide, which is also known as dry ice. Okay, now I told you that all the change of states occur at a specific temperature. Now let me dig deep in this concept in specific or constant temperature. Now we know that change of state basically occurs at a fixed temperature, and during the change of state there is no temperature change, but we are continuously giving heat or extracting heat. We are continuously giving heat or extracting heat from the substance, but then also the temperature does not change. So that amount of heat which causes no change in temperature but only change in state, only change in state, that amount of heat is called latent heat of that change of state or hidden heat of that change of state. Okay, now this is the concept of latent heat. Okay, that is also very important point because this is related to why the temperature is fixed. Okay, now let me tell you that those fixed temperature has a specific name. Suppose in case of vaporization or boiling, that fixed temperature at which the liquid converts into vapor or gas, that specific temperature is called boiling point of that liquid. Now in case of, you can take the melting, when ice converts into water at 0 degree centigrade, so that 0 degree centigrade is the what, melting point of ice. And opposite is also true, the at 0 degree centigrade the liquid freezes and converts into ice, so 0 degree centigrade is also the freezing point of water. Okay, so those are the concept of boiling point, freezing point, melting point, and etc. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss the molecular theory of freezing, boiling, and so on. Okay, thank you.